Healing after emotional cheating. Now, I don't want you to see the emotional cheating if you're the one who was emotionally cheated upon. I don't want you to see it as a sign that your marriage is over. I want you to see it, and trust me, this is the right way to see it, as a flashing neon sign, and it's saying, learn how to be married. You don't know how to be married. And so the emotional cheating occurred because either you or your spouse felt like something big was missing. Now, does that mean if it was your spouse who did some emotional cheating, that it was your fault? No. I mean, obviously, the person who did the emotional cheating is at fault too, but we don't do that at the Marriage Foundation. We don't go for faults. What we go for is starting from now, learning about marriage, understanding that marriage is one of God's greatest gifts to us. I think it's second or third only to free will. Free will is amazing because then we could do things that we never imagined before. For instance, where have you ever heard cultivate the love that you have for your spouse? You don't hear that. We don't hear that. But that's tied to free will. Instead of just choosing vanilla ice cream over chocolate, we could use it for something of greater value, right? Yes. So here's what you do. You leave the past in the past. You take the emotional cheating as a warning that if things continue without you making dramatic changes, and because in this particular video, we say both of you want to resurrect your marriage, that's great. What you can do is you could do that. Well, you still do it independently, but you could do it together independently. Let me share this with you because this is interesting and it's just popping up in my head. I was a divorce mediator. And so when I started helping couples 2001 save their marriage, naturally, I thought couples counseling is the way to go. But it isn't. And there's a number of reasons, but I'm only in a lot of reasons, but I'm going to get into one. One of the reasons, and this I think is one of the bigger reasons, is that as human beings, we see through our eyes in a very unique way. We hear through our ears in a very unique way. And one of the attractions that we have with our soulmate is that they see life differently. They hear life differently. They feel life differently. And it's kind of a mesh between the two of you that brings so much happiness into your relationship, into your lives together. Because you'll say something like, well, I never thought about it that way. Oh, I never saw it that way. And they do. And, part of that is obviously that one of you is a man and one of you is a woman, but it's deeper than that. And so in marriage counseling, the marriage counselor could be an amazingly wise human being who's just filled with all kinds of positive things to say, but both of you will hear it very differently. In reality, what happens in marriage counseling is it turns into an arena, boxing ring, where you're competing all the time and nobody gets anywhere fast. So the way we do it is we do individual education and individual guidance into how to resurrect your marriage. So that's the way to go. Now start by signing up for the 10 top do's and don'ts, because that's going to be very helpful. And then that will lead you we'll send you regular emails to help you start seeing marriage in a very positive way so you could start building your marriage. One of the greatest problems is we're not taught that marriage doesn't just go by itself. We have to cultivate our relationship. We have to cultivate the love. We have to produce things. It's like if you have a plant, you could stick it in the window. If you never water it, it's going to die. And same with our marriage. We have to learn. Begins with education. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you again. God bless you and take care. Hi, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. Been saving marriages since 2001. Now, what can we say about not giving up and not settling? These are two big deals that for your marriage, these are vital concepts. And they boil down to two things that we offer you. One are the books that we have. I have Lessons for a Happy Marriage, which is the first book that I wrote, and Breaking the Cycle. They're both great. Flip a coin as to which one you want. That's for not settling. Those books lay out for you exactly what marriage is all about. The guidelines, the intricacies, delves into communication, all the things about marriage that you need to know. And if your marriage is doing fine, but you just have this little problem here, this little problem there, but it's basically doing fine, don't settle. I promise you this, when you read one of these books, you're going to learn more about marriage than you even knew you didn't know, and it's going to change everything for the better. You will be so grateful that you took my advice and got one of those books. Now, the Don't Give Up, when I began, I was structuring, compiling all the marriage help that people need in order to save their marriage. I was a divorce mediator until 2001, and so I was fortunate that I was accessing a support group for those who were going to get a divorce called Second Saturday in San Diego, California. And so I was able to pull out of those sessions individuals, after I told them that I could help them save their marriage, who were beyond on the verge of getting a divorce. I'm going to say 95 to 98% of the people for whom I got a divorce shouldn't have, didn't need to, had they known what I now know. I took all of that knowledge and I put it into comprehensive courses, one for men and one for women. These courses, your course based on your gender, will bring you from the depth of the swamp that you find yourself in, out of that, into the light, and help you achieve a marriage you never even dreamed possible. That's a promise. Now, what if you're not even married? What if you're going to get married and you're just looking around for marriage advice? In that case, and I actually created this for some friends, we have a premarital course, which is amazing. You'll never have a problem in your marriage. Well, like nobody ever has a problem, but you won't have any killer problems. You'll know how to be married to get the most out of your marriage. What if you're only dating? Then I have a course for you too. This one I actually created for my son, and it is a step-by-step process for you to attract your soulmate, and in the right way. I'm so glad that you found us. Please take advantage of that which we have to offer. We are here to serve you. I'm Paul Friedman. God bless you, and take care.